This is the third explanation of the chapter digestive and excretory system. So here in this video, I'm going to explain to you about skin. Okay, so here they say that look at the picture. It is showing the inside of the skin. That means this is the picture of a skin. There it is showing the internal structure of a skin and all the things which are present inside. So the main thing which they want to show us is the sweat gland. This is the sweat gland in children. This is present inside the skin. Okay, this sweat glands excrete sweat. It gives out sweat. And what is sweat? Sweat contains extra water, salt and other waste. So blood releases this extra water, salt and other waste, and it gets accumulated here in the sweat gland. And what does sweat gland do? It removes this waste as sweat in the form of sweat. And where does it removes this sweat from? It removes from these small holes which are also called pores. These are small holes. If you look carefully at your skin, children, you will find small pores on the surface of your skin. So this sweat gland releases sweat from these pores. So this sweat is actually a waste which is removed from your skin. Next part of the excretory system is lungs. So as in our previous video I have explained to you about large intestine. It removes solid waste. Okay, kidneys, I have explained to you, it removes liquid waste. Okay, through urethra. And this lung part, these are the pair of lungs. These lungs remove gaseous waste which is made up of gas. And what is that gas? It is carbon dioxide, which is made inside your body only. So what happens? When you breathe in, oxygen goes inside the lungs. It fills the lungs. Blood picks up this oxygen and carries it to all parts of your body, to different cells of your body, and also collects carbon dioxide from these cells. This carbon dioxide is a waste gas, children. It should not be there inside your body because it is a harmful gas. Okay, so it has to be released outside. Okay, so each cell releases carbon dioxide, which is a waste. Blood picks up this carbon dioxide and brings it to the lungs. These are the pairs of lungs. Here the blood brings the carbon dioxide. Okay, and then you exhale this carbon dioxide out of your nose. Okay, this is how lungs help to get rid of gaseous waste, and this gaseous waste is carbon dioxide. Last part of this chapter is healthy habits. Okay, in order to keep your body healthy, it is important that you get rid of the waste in your body regularly. Okay, so these are some points given. These are some points which you have to follow if you want to be healthy. So first point is breathe fresh air. Fresh air means you have to breathe in oxygen. You should not stay in a closed room or an air conditioned room for long hours. Okay, because this may cause respiratory or health issues, children. Your skin may go dry also. Second point is eat healthy diet with lots of roughage. What does roughage means? This roughage is present in raw fruits and vegetables. Okay, this is a thing which does not get digested itself, but it helps in digestion. It helps in removal of solid waste from your body. Okay, this roughage helps in digestion, so you should have lots of roughage, and this is found in fresh fruits and vegetables. And this we all know. Third point, drink at least 5 to 6 or maybe 7 to 8 glasses of water daily. It helps to remove waste and non-useful materials from the body. Okay, water helps in flushing out the waste and non-useful material from the body. Fourth point is you have to visit every morning. You have to visit toilet every morning for excretion. I have already told you what excretion means, children. Removal of waste from your body. Okay. Fifth, bathe every day to clean your skin. You have to take bath every day. Okay, and keep the pores open for excretion of sweat. Okay, dirt and dust daily accumulates on the surface of your skin, and thus it closes the pores of your skin also. Okay, so it may prove harmful for your body. So you have to bathe every day, clean your skin every day. Okay, you have to wash yourself every day with soap and water to keep yourself fresh and clean. So this was, we have come to the end of the chapter, children. Okay, till we meet again, it's bye bye.